I'm begging you. I'm pleading with you. You gotta stop wearing this stuff, bro. You gotta stop wearing this stuff. This stuff's out of style, and it's also not making you look good. And this is why hindsight's always 20/20, bro. Like with my business, I'm gonna give you a great analogy right now. With my business, I make so many mistakes, but when I look back, hindsight's 20/20, bro. I'm like, yo, I shouldn't have done that. Same thing with relationships, right? While you're in the relationship, you don't realize just how bad the situation is. Once you leave it, hindsight's 20/20. Like you're like, damn, that was a bad call. That's how style works. Once things are out of style, you start to realize just how stupid that style was, starting with long line tees. Yo, what the hell were we thinking? Like, why are you wearing t-shirts that are past that natural pocket line? Naturally, an average t-shirt should sit right in the middle of your pocket. You know when where your pockets are, right there? Like right in the middle. That's where your t-shirt should be. Why were they going past that? You have to understand, all you were doing is making your torso look unnaturally long, and then you just had two little chicken legs on the bottom of that. Almost like a mini skirt. Didn't make any sense. Right now, what you want to do instead, wear something cropped. So either wear that natural fit right at the pocket or something a little bit higher. Kind of like this jacket is cropped right at the waist. Bro, what I've noticed with this, not only do you keep your torso proportionate to the length that it actually is, you end up making your legs look super long, which makes you look taller. Number 2, common projects. I said it. I said it, and I'm going to get a lot of heat for it because I pushed white leather sneakers harder than anybody else. I don't think anybody else has pushed white leather sneakers more than me. Matter of fact, if you go to my closet, I still think I have about 10 pairs of white leather sneakers. Like that common project design that's super simple. I'm going to be honest with you. I haven't worn a single pair of those in probably 2 years. Year and a half, maybe. I haven't put a pair on. Like naturally, I gravitate towards it because I want to build a fit around them. I just haven't. They're dead. They're too minimal. You see them, everybody and their mother wears those shoes. And it's like, there's no interest behind it. Again, I'm not saying it's the worst thing in the world, but I do think they're a little bit overpriced. For $500 for a shoe that simple, I'm telling you right now, you could buy yourself, I'd rather wear a pair of Air Force Ones. They have a little more texture, they're a little thicker, they actually add a little bit of height, but those simple sneakers, I feel personally, a little played out. Number 3, Axe body spray. You have to understand that most of these cheap fragrances use a high concentration of alcohol, which is why when you apply it on, it just smells synthetic-y. It truly smells cheap. And I know, it's not actually clothing, but so many guys gravitate towards it. It's truly messing up with your personal style. And look, I get the appeal of body spray. See, with body spray, it's cheap, right? So it's affordable. You can use it every day. You don't care if you overspray, which actually ends up being a bad thing. You can use it for the gym. You can use it for situations where you don't want to use the high-end stuff. I get it, which is why for Santa Lucia, we're dropping our own body spray. What I figured is if you're going to wear a body spray, I'm going to make a formulation that's more affordable, but I also still want it to smell amazing. I want it to smell like a high-end perfume, a high-end fragrance, but every time you spray, you don't have to be worried about it because it wasn't crazy expensive. And it's going to be part of our new bundle dropping April 29th. April 29th, we're dropping our new Santa Lucia fragrance. It's a single fragrance, boys. And once it's gone, it's gone. There's only a few hundred units. Like, we're making it extremely limited because we brought in a designer. We brought in a partner, a perfumist. His name is Darian. He's a G. He's probably one of the top guys in the fragrance industry. And when I tell you this is one of the most unique fragrances I have ever smelled, like, ain't nobody gonna smell like you when you pull up with this fragrance. Well, the fragrance will come with a bundle. So you have the main fragrance. You'll also have a solid cologne so you can reapply and boost up in the middle of the day. You'll also have body lotion to make sure that the fragrance lasts as long as possible. And you'll also have body spray, which is the same scent as a fragrance, but reformulated to be more affordable. So now you can wear it to the gym. You can wear it when you're running chores. You can wear it on those times that you really don't care or don't want to use the high-end stuff, but still smell amazing. Boys, this will sell out. Look what happened with Essentials. It's gone. I don't want you to miss this one. So put a reminder on your phone. April 29th, 10 a.m. Eastern, we're dropping our new fragrance. I'm telling you, it's going to change the game with every fragrance you've ever owned, bro. Takes me to number 5. You're dressing like a boy. It's out of style, man. It's out of style. It no longer makes sense while you're choosing to wear clothing pieces that make you look like you're still 15, 16, 17. Bro, it's in. Old money style's in, and I couldn't be happier, right? It's like that classic tailored aesthetic. You have pieces that are more elevated. You have your loafers, your button downs. Why not move towards this aesthetic, which is trending, but also elevates your status, elevates your maturity level. You end up looking more desirable. You look expensive. Number 6, super tailored dress pants. And when I talk about these, I'm talking about the high wires. I'm talking about the dress pants that are so tight on your skin that you can see your muscles. I'm talking about the dress pants that you got 4 inches of ankle skin that are showing for no reason. Dress pants should have never fit this way, and it wasn't until recently that they just got screwed up by over-tailoring. Like, even good things can be a bad thing. Like, when you take it to the extreme, like these super tailored dress pants, they look terrible. You should not be able to see your ankles. Matter of fact, your dress pants should sit right on the bottom bone of your ankle and sit right on top of the dress shoe. That is a good pair of dress pants, which ultimately takes me to number 7. Clothes with large logos. I'm glad this died. This died with the hypebeast trend. The 2017, 18, 19 era, dead. I think COVID took it with it. Like, the idea of large logos was so ostentatious. It was so in your face. It was so like you were trying too hard that now it's gone, which is thankful because now you can focus on simple stuff, right? You can and the beauty of simple stuff, like you could wear a simple tank top. This could be from Walmart for all you know, or it could be from Essentials. It doesn't really matter because it's simple. And as long as it looks good, and again, if you buy quality and it lasts you a long time, that's how you end up saving money. So now, to look good, you're not gonna flex brand logos or how much you paid. You actually have to put on good fits.